Was to teaching you physics of class 10th, chapter 13, magnetic effect of electric current. Previous lectures I have explained about all the all the topics of this chapter. Now we will study the examples of and the blue box. Example on page number 228 is given. One example is given. A current through a horizontal power line flows in east to west direction. What is the direction of the magnetic field at a point directly below it and at a point directly above it? It is given what is the direction of the magnetic field at the point directly below it and the directly above it. So that you will see, because of the direction of the magnetic field line is from east to west. So current in 13.1 examples you are seeing the current from east to west direction. So by right hand thumb rule, current is going east to west direction. Like this, when you will, it is your right hand and right hand thumb rules, it will coming from this direction like this. Below it from north to south. Below it means it is a east to west. So below it means you are holding this, it is from north to south. But above it it is going this direction from south to north. Above this direction. It is a line, it is a wire from north, east to west is the current. So when you will apply the right hand thumb rule, then it is in the down, it is coming from north to south, and upward direction it is folding like this from south to north around it. Example, this 13 point, page number, next it is given 13.2 example of this chapter. It is given that an electron enters in a magnetic field at a right angle to it, so that shown in the figure, the direction of the force acting on the electron will be, electron is coming from this, it means the current will be just opposite. You see that electron is coming from this. So what will you will get the direction of the current is taken opposite to the direction of the electron by Fleming left hand rule. By Fleming left hand rule we know that. So what will you get? Magnetic field is in this direction. It is the magnetic field by left hand. It is the direction of the current. Electron is coming inside. Here electron is coming, direction of the current will be just opposite, going upward direction. Electronic field is there. Then what will you get? You will put like this. It is the magnetic field, electron is opposite direction. Then where is your hand? Thumb is going inside. So what is into the page? It is your answer, into the page. Now blue box question. Blue box question is given in the first question, is given at the beginning of first topic. It is given in our page number 224. Why does the compass needle get deflected when brought near a bar magnet? Very simple. Actually, the compass needle is also a small bar magnet, and so another bar magnet repel or attract the needle, so which is already in north and south direction. Compass is always in the north and south direction. So when you will get any another magnetic field, so it will be automatic deflected. That's why it is given. Next is given page number and 228. Next questions are given here. Page number 228. 3 questions are here. What is given first? Draw magnetic field lines around a bar magnet. So you have drawn. Very simple. First question. Draw magnetic field line. 3 lines here from north to south. 2 lines you will take this. 1 line is directly like this full figure you will draw in examination. Here 1 ray this side, 1 ray this side. It is inside by through the south pole, and north pole it is emerge, and it is inside merge. So coming here, 3 this side, 3 this side, all like this you are getting from north to south. Second question is given, list the properties of the magnetic field lines. What is the properties of the magnetic field line? Properties of magnetic field line. First, the magnetic field lines are closed continuous curve. Second is given, inside here emerge from north and merge at the south, means it is coming out from north and inside going south. Inside here magnetic field lines from what is south to north. You will get inside, what are you getting? From south to north. Crowded near the poles. Near the poles they are very close, and so the magnetic field is strong, and never the near the middle the magnetic field and far the magnetic field is weak. Like this there is a gap between them, or here there is a weak magnetic field lines. Tangent at any point in the magnetic field lines gives direction of the magnetic field lines at that point. So magnetic field lines can never intersect. In magnetic field lines, if the magnetic field lines are parallel and equidistant, then they are called the uniform magnetic field strength. This is called the uniform magnetic field strength. It is your this. Question number 3 is given in this. What is, why don't two magnetic field lines intersect each other? Just now you have written in the property, the magnetic field lines can never intersect each other. It is, if it is intersecting, then there will be a two tangents in two direction, and which is not possible because unidirectional. There will be a two direction in the same magnetic field line, which is not possible because they never have the two directions. So hence two magnetic field lines never intersect. Page number next, just here you are seeing, it is given, consider a circular loop of wire lying in the plane of the table. Let the current pass through the loop clockwise like this. Apply the right hand rule to find out the direction of the magnetic field line inside the or outside in the loop and outside the loop. Inside and outside. Very simple. You are getting like this wire. You are seeing I have made this. So inside, current is going from this direction to this direction. Here current is given. So by right hand is this right hand thumb rule. You will hold the wire like this. So if you hold the wire, so what will you get? Current is moving in this direction. Thumb will be in this direction. So what will you get? When you are moving, so it will coming out outside. It is going at this side. Wire, electric current. So like this, what is there? And you will get the thumb like this. So here and here, both the directions you will get. The magnetic field lines is coming outside. This direction you will get. So in this direction, current is moving this direction, clockwise. So how will you hold the, like this you will hold, and this side you will hold like this. Your finger will be like this. So it is coming out. Both the direction it is coming outside, and from this side it is entering. This side it is entering, and it is a clock face rule. So south pole. Clockwise in the front loop will be what? It is a south pole. Like this. This is the south. Clockwise means this. It is called south pole. This direction, going inside and coming out, going inside and coming out. Like this, it is your what is called clock face. Clock face rule, it is a south pole. And from this direction you will see, then it will be like a anti-clock. Here it is going like this, but here it is coming the anti-clockwise, this direction. So other side it is anti-clock, it is the north pole. So from entering like this, it is coming from inside to outside. Opposite pole is here, front is here. So from north to south you are getting. Next one is what? The magnetic field in the given region is uniform. Draw the diagram. Uniform magnetic field is diagram is this. This is the diagram of magnetic field line in uniform. So all are seeing uniform, only north and south, from north to south is straight line, equal distance and parallel. Third question is given. Choose the correct answer. The magnetic field lines inside the a long straight solenoid. Long straight solenoid. Solenoid, you know, I have told you it is a solenoid. Spring, it is a long straight solenoid. 0, this what is given. So what will you get? The long straight field lines inside the solenoid are in the form of parallel straight lines, and this indicates that same at all the points inside. This is uniform. It is at the same at all the points, because so what is your question? Magnetic field line inside a strength of solenoid carrying current, straight current. So that you will get. So you are getting this answer, third. So like this, some blue block questions you have finished, some you will fetch in the next lecture to complete your notes. Thanks.